Make.com just came out with a new function that makes it super easy to remove or replace emojis in text data. Before this function was introduced, people had to rely on complex regular expressions to remove or replace emojis. And if you guys have dealt with regular expressions before, you know just how big of a pain they can be. So this is what the function looks like. It's called the Replace Emoji Characters function. You can find it right here in the text and binary functions, and it's going to be labeled Replace Emoji Characters. It's super easy, it just has two fields that you need to map out. And for this purpose, just to show you guys how to use this function, I just created this really quick scenario where I'm basically watching a blog. It's a trail runner's blog because I love trail running. It's taking that article and then repurposing it into a social media text post. And this social media text post has emojis in it. Let's say for Twitter, for example, I want to have emojis because it's more fun on my Twitter, but on my LinkedIn, I want it to look more professional and I don't think emojis is the right fit for my audience. I can just simply use the exact same text post, but without the emojis. Now, before I continue, this is not the perfect use case because honestly, if I just wanted to create social media text posts for a specific platform of mine that was more professional, that's just a matter of prompt engineering to ChatGPT to not output emojis. Emojis can sometimes cause problems in structured data environments like CRMs or spreadsheets. And they can sometimes cause compatibility issues across different platforms. Not all systems can handle emojis the same way. Some platforms may strip them out or just cause errors. So in order to use this function, I'm just going to start from scratch. We're going to go into column B right here, go up here to the text and binary functions. It's this capital A up here. It's this tab. And then we're going to click Replace Emoji Characters, enter that into column B. And then in the first tiny little space right there, we are going to map in the result from our ChatGPT module. So we're just going to go over here and click result, insert that, map that data in right there. And then in the next field over this tiny little space, what we're going to want to do is we just want to replace the emojis with an empty string. So because of that, again, we're here in the text and binary functions tab. Down here for keywords, we need to insert empty string right there. And we're done. It's as simple as that. So let's go ahead, click OK. Let's click save. I'm going to realign everything and we're going to run this once and I'm going to show you guys what this does. It kicks off, it wrote our post, it added it to our spreadsheet. If we go over here, we can see that we have a new post right here with emojis, and then we have the exact same post without emojis for my LinkedIn. I just wanted to hop on here, make a quick video for you guys because when I saw that this new function was released, I thought it would be useful for some of you guys out there. So I hope it helps and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks guys.